morning, guys. It is currently Memorial Day, and it is the first day of summer for me because school officially ended on Friday, and I have been making plans ever since, so Saturday and Sunday, for this channel to work on, like, interesting things and fun things to film. So I really have some fun and exciting ideas, and I'm going to be vlogging a lot more, and my dog is coming to say hi. But I have a lot of good ideas and will be fun to film and hopefully fun for you guys to watch. And hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So it is currently a super cloudy, rainy, not so pretty day. But I have some things planned nonetheless. Not necessarily fun things, but things nonetheless. So my dog just keeps getting more and more in the way, and I can't see anything. But basically, I will be going to Cracker Barrel first with my boyfriend and his mom. So we're going to be having breakfast together. Then I'm going to go to the laundromat to wash some of my horse's stuff, because yesterday me and my boyfriend cleaned out my entire trailer and like the tack room of the trailer. So there's a bunch of things that need to be washed, like blankets, fly masks, stuff like that, like towels that I have at the barn and all that kind of stuff, and saddle pads all need to be washed. So I'm gonna go to the laundromat and clean and like wash all that stuff. So yeah, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right now I'm actually going to start getting ready, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. Hey guys, so we are at the barn and we are getting ready to feed Gray. He has beef jerky for the cat, so that's where he just went and disappeared off to. But we're gonna go ahead and feed Gray, and I'm gonna show you guys that process. So I am finally back home from the barn. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. The only one thing that we did at the barn that I didn't film was fixing up my trailer, but we didn't do much, so I want to wait until we actually do something with the trailer that would be like film worthy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna end it right here so I have some time to edit it and have it uploaded by tonight for all of you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and just like press that thumbs up button. That would be really, really awesome. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so, so, so much. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.